Hey everyone, my name is Deepesh Umrao, and for the Google and Kaggle AI agent Capstone, I built an autonomous AI farmer for a game called Kaggriculture. And the twist is this, that I built it before the game's code was even public. Let me show you right here on my screen. So before jumping into the real conceptual game, that ADK game, let me show you let me basically introduce you people to the concept behind my game. So I'll go to the agriculture.write-up. Here it is. So Agriculture is a two-player farming game. You have 720 turns to earn more money than your opponent. As I've said before, that it is a two-player game, right? Um, Each turn, my agent gets one move, walk a step, or work the tile it's standing on, buy seeds, plants, water, pull weeds, harvest, or sell. Simple rules, but 720 turns of decisions only. After the introduction to the DK game, um, let's jump into the interesting part, right? As you can see here, here is my source file, src file, and if we jump into the real folder of it, so the real API, let me first introduce you people to the problem that I faced. The real API wasn't available, so I figured it out that the exact inputs and outputs from one example, that's protocol.py, right everyone? Um, as you can see, uh, here its purpose in each and every file that I've created or used, of course using the um, what we said, Claude, or any other ChatGPT or anti-gravity, okay, or any other vibe coding tool. I've already mentioned the purpose of it. So here it is written, decoded from the competitions community agent. That's a function that I've been provided by the Kaggle's API from the competition folder, right? Keeping this in the one place means the rest of the real protocol code never codes magic strings. And if the real env renames anything, we fix it here once, right? Now after it, then I built my own copy of the game to practice against the local, right? That env file, local underscore env.py file. Here it is purpose. Here its purpose that I've written to develop and to test the real protocol agent without the Kaggle package. The observation action or action shapes here, blah blah blah. So and you can read it here. Okay. And the main file that I'm very excited to show you, the brain.py, right? This is the brain of the complete ADK file, right? ADK game, we can say that. This is the brain, guys. So because of this only, I could develop and test whole agent without Kaggle. Train here, and it drops into the real game unchanged. The complete game will be unchanged. Okay. If I further jump into this brain.py file, so the main decision making is right here. No expensive AI model every turn, just fast player rules. Okay. First, it handles the market for free, restock seeds, sell the harvest. Then it goes to the nearest useful tile. Okay. Harvest whatever is ready, water what is dry, clear weeds, plant on empty grounds. Nearest because every step wastes a turn. It will go to the nearest tile because if it will take random steps, then our whole program will be heavy. The number of iterations will be more, the number of turns will be more, and each and every step will waste a turn. And finally, we came across the complete brain, um, the idea, whatever I've shown you. Let's finally run the complete full game, right? So let me open the terminal here, and I'll paste what happened, right? Yeah, I pasted this code that that will run all the real game. Okay. Of course, I've already copied it because I'm very lazy. Let's hit enter. Yeah. This is the final, right? Let me show you the complete. Hmm. Yeah, it restores history. And the day one money was 100, seed wheat category 4. Day two money was 20, seed wheat category 4, and it shredded, right? And till day 30, the money was 2,820. The wheat category is 3, it shredded the wheat 0.75. Final seed 0, our score is 3,005.00. Opponent score 100, of course, we won. Harvest worked 87 turns played, as I said, 720 turns over 30 days. Now, this was the complete game that I ran in front of you all. And if you will notice here, uh, you can watch money climb day by day, plant water, harvest, sell, and all 720 turns right here, right? All 720 turns. No crashes, of course, you've seen no crashes in this ADK. A very quick, honest note, this is my own practice simulator, not the live leaderboard, right? But it proves the agent actually plays, right? The agent, ADK agent, has played this game. And to prove it that it's tested, not guessed, right? I'll run this command, a lazy, very lazy boy, tested it. And after a few seconds, will be shown at approx 66 automated results. It must show. Yeah, here it is. 66 results passed. One warning in 7 seconds. I'll fix it later. Don't worry. 66 warning, right? 66 results passed. One warning. All green. All 66 tests are green. I don't know which one warning it is being given. I'll fix it later. But all 66 tests it has passed, right? The whole agent even ships as one clean file. Okay, so that I submitted exactly what I tested. So that was my Kaggriculture agent built before the game exited, right? And ready to compete the moment it opened. Code and links are in the description. Thanks for watching.